above the scenic Main River, Henneburg Castle stands as a timeless guardian of history and adventure. Its ancient walls whisper stories of knights, nobles, and centuries of intrigue. Built in 1127, this fortress witnessed the rise and fall of empires. It was once home to the Teutonic Order, fortified with grand Gothic designs, watchtowers, and secret passageways. Imagine the footsteps of knights echoing through these ancient halls. You can climb the castle's tower for amazing views of the Main River Valley, the quaint town of Stadtprozelten, and the majestic Odenwald Hills. The scenery is nothing short but breathtaking. There's hiking trails around the castle, and also you can test your archery skills here. I really enjoyed visiting the castle. It was free to come to and explore and see all the beautiful views of the Main River and the valley. Plan your visit to Henneburg Castle, where history and adventure await.